After 30 years, I wanted to have a career. I was looking back at my life and there wasn't a stable trajectory. I just had to find inner motivation to continue and go back in and try to learn new skills. The skills that I brought in was basically, I knew a little bit about CAD. I didn't know how to read a caliper or a micrometer. I also was very worried about my math skills, see how that applies to work. I was very intimidated by going back to school for math, and I'm very happy that the Manufacturing Academy was able to provide me with math reinforcement. That was a very good experience for me. You treat this as a job, basically. The instructor was very clear to us that in the career field, you have to be on time to work and you have to be ready to work, and you can't be late. So one of the soft skills that I learned was just being on time and being ready to learn. What I would take most from the Manufacturing Academy is just the connections, talking to Lai, John, and Priscilla, and working on a resume. All those skills and contacts have really helped me, just feel more at home and more secure in the fact that I don't have a job right now and I'm trying to just find something stable. But it also helps me feel more positive and motivated about my future. Not to my personal opinion, but it seems like most people who are in manufacturing have learned it through their parents or just a skilled trade that's passed on from generation to generation. But sometimes people like me, I'm an immigrant, I don't have those connections. The foundations of manufacturing, the math, the blueprint reading, the culture, shop talk, all those things come into play when you're starting. So when I was starting, I didn't have any of those skills. I didn't know any of the knowledge. But now, looking back on it, I'm really happy that I did go through the program.